Here's how to manually wipe the nozzles. First, we click on the Z home above the software. Elevate the carriage. After the carriage is raised, we press the ink button. Press for 2 to 3 seconds to release. Then go on. Press 3 to 4 times like this. Then we use a clean dust-free cloth. Wipe the surface of the nozzles clean. We prepare 3 sheets of this dust-free cloth. Stack it like this, stack like this, and wipe it like this. Gently scrape from the surface of the nozzles. The clean side of the cloth can only wipe one head. You can't wipe with it repeatedly. After every time we wipe a nozzle, change the cloth to a clean part. Change it for each wipe. Like this. Prepare 3 sheets like this. Stack. Gently wipe it from the surface of the nozzle like this. Wipe it on the other side. Change side. Wipe it. Have you learned it?